Should be live. Yep. Should be. What's going on, Lakewood? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Oh, man. Woo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. We're going to be trading CPI today. CPI. Just cop 10 Lucid Flex accounts. You use code DAE. Did you use code DAE, Isaac? Oh, man. Yes, sir. I am, what's it called? By the way, guys, I am gonna paper. Shall I paper or shall I do, eval? What y'all think? Shall I paper or do eval? I'm definitely not trading on my funders today. It's either paper or eval. I should do evals. Let me cop some Apex accounts right now. There we go. There we go. What time is it? Boom. All right. Just copped an eval. What time is that shit coming out? God damn, why does it take so long to cop an eval? Accept. There we go. 50K. Boom. 50K eval. Apex. We got 5 minutes. How did they say you should do that shit? How did they say you should do it? You should do what? 30 points up, 30 points down, or something like that? What if TradingView messes up my fill? I think I'm about to blow this account. What were you thinking? I low-key think CPI will be bullish. Everyone's expecting it to be bearish. I low-key think CPI will be bullish. Guys, I don't condone full porting, but I do not trade CPI or PPI. So, what is Mr. Trump doing? Guys, just so you know, I'm full porting longs. We have equal lows at the bottom though. Which way are you guys going? Which way are you guys going? Fuck yeah, I'm just gonna do the shit that they fucking taught me. They said what, 30 points above price? So what is this? Buy 2. And then 30 points below? This doesn't look like it's gonna work. And then sell 2, but let's make this 10. That's technically 1 mini. This should better work. I've never done this before. This should better work. Let's see. Let's see. It already activated me in. That's cheating. Oh, 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 oh. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I just passed the eval. Guys, I just passed the eval. Guys, I just passed the eval. Let's Let's go. Let's go. What? That was crazy. Bro, you passed an eval in 5 seconds like that? That was crazy. I've never done that before. Oh my God. Oh shit. Let's go. Man, what a crazy news candle pump. A win is a win, my guy. A win is a win. We might try the same thing for PPI tomorrow. Is PPI? I don't think PPI is as volatile. I don't think PPI is as volatile. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Man, I should have bought more. Fuck, I should have bought more accounts. CPI method, I just used Apex for it. Paid $20 for this account. $20. CPI method. Boom. Passed. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Oh my goodness, gold ripped too. Man, you could have just pressed longs and won. Bro, nobody told me this method was this unrealistic, bro. The method actually works. I thought they were bullshitting. Okay, so now do y'all want to actually trade properly or do y'all want to still be degens? We already took a dub. Technically one trade and done, right? I should get off the charts. We already took our dub, one trade and done. Yeah, okay. Let's look for the trade of the day, guys. Yeah, let's look for the trade of the day. Okay, let's be serious now. Let's do some analysis. Um, Obviously I'm not gonna trade this Apex account. I just passed it. So I'm probably gonna paper. It's either I'm gonna paper or I'm just not gonna take anything. But I will call out what I see. Okay. CPI came out bullish, extremely bullish, right? And it looks like it's holding bullish. This doesn't look like manipulation. It looks like it's holding this. So where is price potentially trying to go? Yeah, I really thought, like obviously I didn't know, but I had a strong analysis that price was going to be bullish. Why? Because we've been getting so many bad news. There's no way that just continues. But I know that's not really logical, but that's kind of what my thought process was. I think price is going for these relative equal highs here on NQ. I really think so. Let's see if we can find how to get in. Or this could be a giant AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You have to watch it. Because we did just enter into a 4-hour gap. So you have to watch this and see if this is AMD or not. I really doubt this is AMD. I really, really doubt this is AMD, but be careful and watch it. Let's look at GC. Everything is bullish. We have to wait for CPI to die down, I can't lie. we just have to wait for CPI to die down because everything's just moonshotting. This is that 1 hour high here. Let's see how price reacts from it. What about gold? Gold looks bullish. Like, do you see the candle? Temporarily, actually, no, I lied. Sweep. Let's do this. Gold is in the 0.618, yeah. Okay. See if you can see some type of sell setup from gold, actually. It has to be clear and obvious. Why? Because this is here a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep, right? Break of structure. We draw our fib from the high to the low. Gold is in OTE right now. What's in OTE? Gold just swept liquidity in OTE while tapping a 1 hour FEG, and it's currently rejecting it. So if gold wants to sell, it'll reject all this right here. It'll reject it all. And these are Asia session highs and previous London session highs and all of that fun stuff. So you have to watch gold carefully. See if it wants to sell off of this liquidity sweep and then short it. While NQ, see if it wants to hold above this level. If it does, then longs is in play. If it rejects this level, then short it. This could all be one massive AMD, guys. Yes, I traded the news on evals. I just quickly bought one right now. It was like about $20 and I traded it. This is the first time I've ever done no shit like that though. But I wanted to test it out. Every single day I skip out on CPI. It was fun. I'll never do a live account on that shit though. That shit was fun. Hella dopamine. Okay. Let's see. Guys, I really think this news here is manipulation. No, I literally entered 1 second before news. So I entered on this candle here. And then this candle ripped and I passed. Where did I get out? I got out right here. I entered at like 9:29 a.m. Look, literally at the top of this candle. Boom, 9:29. I took that 9:29 a.m. Boom, rip. Guys, this might genuinely be AMD, yo. This might genuinely be AMD. Holy shit. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. Hey, I'm sorry. Just watch it. I'll be back. What am I looking for, though? If gold wants to sell off, it needs to do it now. NQ has to hold above this level. If not, it's selling off. I gotta go now. Y'all boys hear me? Can y'all boys hear me? Man, price action is not moving. Holy shit. This is why I don't trade CPI. I do think gold can dump. I don't know if it will though. That's why we're watching. It still needs to low-key fill this new week opening gap that it kind of filled. It kind of filled it. Filled this entire 4-hour gap. It definitely can dump. Everybody's logging off because CPI is over now. Guys, this looks a lot like AMD to me on NQ. Like very, very suspiciously, this looks like AMD. We still have equal lows down below us, and we've been bearish all week. CPI comes out and pumps us. This looks a lot like AMD to me. What you boys think? Hey, skip ahead. Make sure y'all skip ahead because y'all are probably behind on my stream. Gold is dumping right now. I think it keeps going. I think everything dumps, low-key. I think this keeps dumping as well. Yeah, I think everything dumps. Everything's bearish. Yeah, that I agree. I really think gold dumps, but just be careful. It might want to do maybe some type of liquidity sweep first. Just see if you can get some type of valid entry and then catch a sell. I do think this dumps. Hopefully it just doesn't dump without you. But I would wait for some type of sweep or something and then catch an entry for it to dump. I wouldn't just click sell. Same with NQ. I would see if it can sweep out some highs or something. It hit my 4 hour 0.875 fib point and respected it perfectly. There we go. That truly means I think sellers are in control here. I think sellers are in control. Isaac, I don't know if you're still here. How's your Lucid accounts? Isaac, how's your Lucid accounts? Are you still here? Nah, I don't think he's here anymore. Yeah, he left my stream? Damn. Damn, Isaac. Perfect CPI trade. She was too clean. Guys, this thing is very bearish. I think this was AMD, accumulation to manipulate higher to distribute lower. I think this keeps going and going and going and going. And you're waiting for an inversion fair value gap all the way down here. You're gonna miss half the move. Sometimes you gotta let your cojones hang. Sometimes you gotta let your cojones hang. Look at gold. I think gold is also bearish. Did I have a stop loss in place? No, it was an eval. It was either below the account or pass it. Just going with 1 mini or 10 micros. Click on it. Once you see 3,000, exit. That's what I did. 3,125. So that means the account is passed. I just need to wait till the end of the day. Yeah, I used Apex. Apex lets you do that. Code Dae. Make sure y'all use Apex. I'm telling you, man, they're the best in the game for a reason. They let you do that. I don't know if the 250K accounts are still active. Has anybody checked to see if the Apex 250K account are still active? Yeah, like whenever you're trading CPI, I recommend Apex for sure. I don't recommend trading CPI, but if you're gonna do it, I recommend Apex. They literally just watched me stay on stream, go buy an account, come back, log into the account, and then full port it. Such degen activities, bro. Gold is dumping. Yeah, gold is gonna dump, guys. I'm done trading for today, but I am gonna stay on live to show y'all what I see. And I'm telling y'all what I see. I think NASDAQ is dumping and I think gold is dumping. Find an entry. I think gold will dump. I think NASDAQ will dump. Find an entry. Don't gamble it. That's what I'm saying. They all left. The moment I gambled on CPI, everybody left. I think we're at like, what, 40 viewers or something like that? I should cut in half. Let's go on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, we want to see how ES acts at these levels right here. But you have to remember ES has equal lows at the bottom. And Q also has a bunch of equal lows at the bottom. Let's see. If you're waiting for an inversion fair value gap right now, you're going to get cooked. You are going to get cooked. Why? Your inversion is all of this. You're going to wait for this. Nah. Well, you can do though. If you get a closure beneath 0.5, get in. That's another entry model you can use. Let's see on MNQ. MNQ is a bit lower. It's like that's another entry model you can use. Instead of waiting for a full inversion of this FVG, if you get a closure beneath 0.5, okay, get in or something like that. Beneath 0.5 is also going to be below London highs and Asia lows. So if you get a closure beneath here, so somewhere here, maybe this. By the way, guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to take it. Don't be upset at me if it loses. I just don't trade CPI or PPI. I don't trade these days. But I'm here because y'all like me streaming, so I'm just telling you what I see and what I would do if I was trading. So I will not take whatever trade I'm showing you right now. Just a heads up. I will not take them. So don't say, did he get in? Why didn't he place the trade? He's giving us setups that he's not taking. I'm not going to take it. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to take it. All right? All right. I already gambled. I already won. You saw me take that dub on CPI. You saw me take my dub already. Why the fuck would I win and come back to lose? I'm already a winner. So, with that being said, let me teach you how y'all can be winners too. Let me show y'all how y'all can be winners too. On ES, this level, very, very important. You want this to clear this level, so you can watch for that on ES. On gold, I can't lie, gold is running. Can gold give some type of entry? You either drop your balls and you take a fair value gap entry on gold here, or if you want to be safer, you pray and hope gold comes up to give you some type of liquidity sweep before going higher, before going lower. But the way gold is moving, I think it just keeps printing more black candles and it just keeps dumping. Yes, I copy accounts. The way gold is moving, I think it might just keep printing black candles just to the downside. And then you find yourself somewhere down here and then it'll consolidate and then maybe continue lower to take out these relative equal lows. I think that's what gold does. So it's either you FOMO into gold or you don't catch gold. I suggest don't catch it. There we go. Look at NQ. NQ might give you some type of sweep. If NQ gives you a sweep and then gives you like a smaller 1 minute inversion, there we go. There's your entry. Now you have a much better entry. You have places you can put your stop loss and something like that. So if you get some type of internal sweep here and then inversion to the downside, then you can ride that all the way down here. Same with ES. If you get some type of internal sweep here and then inversion on the lower time frame to the downside, that's better. Same with gold. Internal sweep, inversion lower to the downside, that's better than just coming in this bitch and shorting. You're gonna get cooked.